3 weeks away, and officials are still waiting on COVID-19 guidance from the governor. But they do know of a few on-field changes. Local 12's Chris Rankel explains how officiating will look different.
Let's go! There may be fewer games on the schedule, but sports in Ohio are underway, and that means more than athletes are awaiting competition. Jerry Sallee is usually dressed in the black and white stripes.
We just want to see what's going to be required of us, and we're prepared to do it.
As an official with the Ohio Valley Football Officials Association, he's officiated games for the last 20 years. And even though he's 65, he's ready to follow whatever protocols this pandemic brings. One he already knows.
Typically, the umpire on a five-man crew is behind with the linebackers on the defensive side.
We've allowed them, if they choose to work in the offensive backfield basically as a center judge.
That way, there's more social distancing. Then there's the handling of the football.
The umpire will just put a beanbag down on the spot where the ball will be snapped from, and then the team will bring their ball from the huddle, put it down on that spot, and snap it. Limiting the time that we have to A, handle the ball, and B, get into piles is huge.
But some scenarios can't be eliminated, like fumbles.
There's times when you're going to have to be close.
At least in football. Rugg says sports like volleyball and soccer, you're socially distanced as a referee anyway. They've seen an 85% renewal rate for officials.
We have had people that have renewed that have said, I'm not going to work this year because of the pandemic.
In 2019, the OHSAA had more than 5,000 officials across football, field hockey, soccer, and volleyball. And the average age of an OHSAA official is 54. The OHSAA told Local 12 they will not require masks for officials. But Sallee said while they may not be mandatory, some school districts or leagues may require them. And there are more modifications to come, some that could be mandates.
Everybody is going to strictly follow the protocols because they want to return the sports. Everybody loves the sport. I mean, we do it not for the financial aspect of it, but it's because everybody really likes it and loves working with the kids.
Chris Rankel, Local 12 News.
And schools will play only 6 regular season football games this fall. The OHSAA announced Friday a reduced schedule. To learn more about how the pandemic is affecting athletes, head to athletesatrisk.com.